Okay, I'm here to demonstrate how the take a break program works. The program reminds the user to take a break 3 times. A break request suggested every 2 hours from the program, from the beginning of the program running. So this is the header, and here the modules are imported. First the web browser module, and then the time module. The web browser module has a function to open a web page. Time module has functions regarding time. So the first thing we do is to print the current time, and that is done with the time module. So first the module, then dot, and the function which we will run. So this works like that. And here the current time is printed. And then we go for loop 3 times and sleep for 2 hours. Then we open the web page, and then we print the value of variable I. That's just for us. So first the first value of the variable is 0, then 1 and 2, and then the for loop is terminated. So I'm not going to wait for 2 hours. I'm just going to wait for 10 seconds to demonstrate how this works. So I'll run the program again, and we've printed the current time. So now we're in the for loop, and what happens, it should wait for 10 seconds, and now it runs the video, and then it should print the value of 0. Value of 0 is here, then value of 1, and we've iterated twice, and then we for the 3rd time, and now we should see 2 printed, and the program has terminated.